remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be. In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss
and the producer.
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here!
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Hey! Crumb Boss and the producer! Crumb Boss, everybody!
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh! Ratchet! It's like vomit! Like people don't eat that! It totally stinks! So, here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready. Hold on to your crumb buns, because guess what's coming back? Hey! Better, bigger, and so much more exciting. Wait, one more thing. Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at Funhouse TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Okay, right now you're looking at an actual boss. These are beach cupcakes, and they're all in a box tucked away because somebody's going to come pick them up tomorrow. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, only on Crumb Boss TV, the Crumb Boss is going to show you how to make beach cupcakes.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss!
Oh, you look so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, okay, so we're making beach cupcakes.
Yeah.
And you want to move this out of the way so I don't knock it over and ruin it.
Yes, that was the plan.
I don't ruin it.
Yeah, because this is an actual order,
That's
so...
an agree. Goodbye.
Let me get this, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it.
She's going to show us how to make beach cupcakes. So you got vanilla cake Crumb Boss recipe, chocolate cake Crumb Boss recipe, your pastry bags, and your couplers, and your buttercream.
That's right.
And the Crumb Boss.
That's right.
I'm good, go.
I know.
Yeah.
You're getting good.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Took a year and a half. She's getting good.
Yeah, Steph, the producer, knows what she's doing. I know a good contest we could have on Facebook.
Really?
Yeah, but I'm not saying anything.
All right. We are going to ice these cupcakes just like you saw for that order. It's a baby boy actually, so this was very appropriate that they're doing a beach theme for this baby shower. Mm-hmm. So the blue represents the baby boy, but it also represents the water, right, guys?
Yeah.
So I just used my large 824 tip with some blue buttercream.
Okay.
To make the buttercream swirl, and to me it almost looks like a bit of a wave, right?
Yeah, it's so cool.
And this was, I didn't do it on that one, but I wanted to try it on this one. That does look kind of like a wave, and you know how a wave has like a white cap?
Yeah. Oh, that's cute.
I wanted to kind of do a few like that, like the white caps, the foam when the wave crashes down.
Yeah.
So that's cool, right?
Yeah.
That's another way to do it.
Okay.
But to represent the sand, I have my sheet pan here with the graham cracker crumbs.
Okay.
So take some graham crackers, grind them up in the food processor to get them very fine like this.
All right.
And then I just kind of coated the tippy top part of...
Do you buy the actual graham crackers in a box?
I can buy this already ground up.
Oh, okay.
So I buy like 50 pounds of graham cracker crumbs, it's called.
Okay.
You might be able to get graham cracker crumbs in the supermarket, actually.
Okay.
They're already ground. So that represents the sand.
I want this for my birthday.
You want every single video we get
like
today for
beach
your
stuff.
birthday.
I like
so basically your birthday cake is going to be a marshmallow snowball coconut cake with beach cupcakes on top of that and a Barbie doll cake on top of that, because you want pretty much everything we did today.
Yeah, because it's beautiful, because I love blue. Blue's my favorite color. I absolutely love blue. It's so blue, sand, and beach. That's my life.
That's totally you. So this is
I love
a good,
the beach,
good
I love
idea.
the sand, and I love the ocean.
So I like the white cap on it. I think it's a kind of a cute idea.
I like it.
You get the effect of the wave,
You can
right?
make it on mine.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so there we have the sand covered on the blue
Now,
cupcakes.
this is the part that really made it nice, guys. I buy these. These are called sugar Pop Ons.
Okay.
And I get them from a company called Lux, like Good Luck, Lucks, Lux.
Okay.
You can search that online, and you could buy these sugar Pop Ons. They make everything you could imagine.
I want to put one on.
Okay, go ahead.
Am I allowed to?
Yeah. There's the beach ball one. Here's the pail with the,
These are, I love this.
there's another one.
I want to take them and show people.
I'm just going to put this here with the seashells, and then we've got the starfish over here.
I want this. Gretchen, this is nice. I like this. This is really nice. Look at this, you guys. See, when I come here, I have no idea what we're going to be making, and this is like totally awesome. So we got the Crumb Boss cupcakes made with the sand all over it, and the blue ocean, and the water, and again, you know, this is so cute. I absolutely love this. I really, really like this.
I can tell.
Well, why didn't you tell me we're making these? These are so cool.
I like to
Look at these
surprise
beach cupcakes, you guys. Who's going to the beach?
So that's how easy it is. If you guys have all of these base recipes, you get your cupcake, your buttercream,
Whoops.
your little
Yeah, that's
little
so
decorations.
cute. That is, I love it. I absolutely love it. Beach cupcakes made by the Crumb Boss, only on YouTube. Again, please watch us, comment, like us, love us. How can you not love this? Exactly. Crumb Boss!
Come on!